Assalamu alaikum, ladies and gentlemen. How are you doing? Hope you're all fine. Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to be talking about what's the difference between the IELTS Academic and IELTS General. Lots of people don't know this, and many of them already know that. So let's move on to talk about it. There are two types of students. Student number one, that student goes to the foreign country or goes abroad just to get the education. Maybe he has completed his intermediate, now he's just going for the graduation, or maybe he has completed his graduation from Pakistan, but now this person is going abroad just for the post-graduation, for example, master's. So this person has to take the academic IELTS. On the other hand, the other person wants to go abroad to work or to live there. So the other person has to take the IELTS General. It's the difference. Hope you enjoyed, or hope you learned it really well. See you in the next video. Take a very good care of yourself. I love this.